Alone with your relentless intent, will you peel me of these dirty night clothes and gently fold them along their creases? Will it be you who runs your supple fingers along my thick, rough stretch marks, swollen with spent sentiment that wildly rides from misuse? Will you mop up rivers of pus that leak from my swollen groin? A juncture now more resembling a plate of undercooked, bruised flesh that's been sifted through the rusty holes of a meat grinder. Will it be you who takes thread to needle and delicately stitches the angry fascia back together that throbs beneath a layer of skin that grins from hip to aching purple hip? Will you bind my weeping nipples, thrust them into my breasts with the rationed gauze of convention? Will it be you who gathers up my regrets like a wilted bouquet of weak old sediment? Will it be you who takes responsibility for this wreckage? Do you still want to fuck me? When the city slowly sighs at the 5 o'clock hour, she becomes an entirely different beast. A beast of glory and sauntering persuasion. A beast who lets you come in her mouth and then sleep in her bed well past noon. She won't ask you for your number or drag you out to the local morning after show for breakfast. In fact, she'll even wait until after you've gone before she strips the well-worn sheets from the sweaty night bed. If you do make the mistake of offending her, like asking for her real Facebook name, or shitting in her toilet without a courtesy flush, or not asking when you use her toothbrush, or letting the L word slip, stuff like that. If you do make a mistake, she'll let it slide, because she's cool like that. She's cool like aged whiskey, like perfectly tuned jazz on an early Sunday afternoon, like the smell of your first kiss, like the sight of the exact person that you want to see at that exact second. She's cool like that. She's San Francisco. She is a beautiful beast, with secrets seeping from her concrete hair. They flow from her salty shores to her shallow, muddy bay. But she has a million lovers, so if you are graced enough to become one, treat her like the beast she is, and take her down like a saint of love upon a thick, sultry bed of urban desire.